Hello, this is Ferris Khan, and I want to share something kind of awesome that just happened to me from Ford about 10 or 15 minutes ago, probably 15 minutes ago at this point. They sent me this email. It says, we wanted to give you a look into the journey of your Bronco SUV. I'm sorry, the journey your Bronco SUV took from the factory floor to your driveway. Here is a photo of your Bronco moments after exiting the assembly line. My particular Bronco was made on July 20th, and let's take a look. Oh, okay, I clicked a button, clicked more than once there. Hopefully you can see this. This is my Bronco. It is accurate, has the correct wheels, so I can tell. I'm trying to see if there was any birthmarks. Not sure that there were. So anyway, as far as I can tell, this was my Bronco. Maybe this white Bronco is your Bronco. I'm not sure. That's on the other side here. But I just thought that was really cool. The idea that something so personalized could be sent to me just makes me feel awesome.